Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour, and today I'm going to do an ocean theme because I've been playing and I've gotten results that look like water but with different colors. But today I'm going to be using blues, only blues, and see if I can recreate an ocean wave. Well, not really the wave, but just water. Okay, so let's start with white. Okay, in this cup I have a dirty pour. I've mixed together white, blue, turquoise, yeah, basically that. And so I'm just gonna pour this all over. Get in there. Okay. Now I'm going to do turquoise by itself. Okay, great. Now I'm going to get this blue by itself. Darker blue. Okay. Now I'm getting this blue by itself. This is kind of like a little lighter. Actually, it is also darker. Not as dark. Okie dokie. And then we'll end with some white. And let's see. Let's tilt and see what we get. We'll tilt this way. To start off with, we'll tip going down. Okay, so, we are getting some spots where there's no color. So let's try to get some paint in those spots with my cup. Oh, let's do another dirty cup. Let's put the turquoise in there. And the dark blue. And some white. Okay, that's a lot of white. Okay, so let's fill in the edges that don't have any color in them. So let's go ahead and tilt. interesting. Very interesting. Do I have any more of the... There we go. I'm gonna... Okay, it does not look like water of any kind, but it is very interesting looking. Okay, thanks for watching.